mga ka-locals! Tonight we're having steak at Mamu! Grabe ha! Medyo matagal na ako hindi naka-steak kaya I was so excited talaga. So this is sa may Ayala Malls 30th and ang saya dito kasi wala masyadong tao. But anyway, always a fan talaga ako of their complimentary bread. Tapos we also got their Caesar salad. This one medyo so-so lang for me, like nothing special. But okay na rin naman. But the highlight talaga is their steak, mga ka-locals. I always love na it's very tender and juicy at the same time. Pack na pack when you pair it with their truffle pasta. Ang sakto kasi nung truffle taste nung pasta niya for me. Kaya I super love talaga, mga ka-locals. Then we ordered din pala their seafood pasta, which for me parang okay lang siya, ganun. And we also had din pala their fish and chips. Nung sinerve yung fish and chips, very crunchy nung chips niya. So I like, and I also paired it pa with some steak rice. Ayan! Grabe mga ka-locals, ang dami kong nakain, nakakaloka. And there's Baby Parker checking out the pasta. Tapos nag-round 2 rin ako ng complimentary bread. Yun lang, kain tayo! And if you're wondering if same day ba to when we went to Wildflower for brunch, yes mga ka-locals, it's same day. So ayan, ang ganda talaga ng brunch na to. But I suggest wag kayo pumunta ng Sunday brunch like us kasi ang haba ng pila tas medyo struggle din tayo sa parking. And ang dami rin sa inyo nag-a-ask ng price reveal and bill reveal for Wildflower. Pero my gosh, sadly wala ako kasi it was my brother's treat. So ayan, yan din yung steak rice niya na we ordered. Pero yung steak rice niya for me, medyo so-so lang. Pero try nyo yung salmon with eggs niya na sandwich kanina. That one I really like. And their waffle and chicken din. Sarap nito kasi yung chicken niya, very crunchy siya ha. Alam nyo ba, hindi na nga ako nag-syrup, but it's still good pa rin. And alam nyo naman, the tita in me had to order some coffee. Tas funny kasi last na lumabas yung soup, but carry lang kasi the soup was actually good. Very creamy and very delicious well. Tas na-tempt na rin ako mag-pastries, but hindi na rin kasi I'm really full na that time. So ayun lang, chika ko lang.